Top headlines for the day.
Here's an exclusive look into the recent purchase of 100-acre property by our very own Salman Khan. Yes, it's located at the outskirts of Mumbai in a place called Gorai. What's interesting is this property is located right opposite Gorai beach. One hears this mansion will have a 2-story farmhouse with gymnasium, pool and a mini theatre. The property will also have dirt tracks to fool around with the rally bikes our bhaijan owns. Hoo hoo! The location of the property is indeed mesmerizing, and what adds more beauty is the amount of lush greenery it's surrounded with. Bhai already has his den in Panvel, which hosts most of the close parties, but looks like this would be his another den. Ulia has been planning most of the things according to her taste, and Bhai has already given a nod to her plans. These lovebirds plan to get hitched by this year end, and this would definitely break too many hearts.
Whoa, one knows Salman threw a party to bring in his girlfriend Lulia Vantour on 36th birthday. But Bhaijan invited only his close family and friends to this party. And do you know who was the part of it? Daisy Shah. Now, did that skip your heartbeat? Rumors were rife that Lulia couldn't take Bhaijan's closeness to his Jai Ho star Daisy Shah and was quite vocal about it. After Senior Khan's intervention, things were sorted. But now looks like all's well between Lulia and Daisy. Many from Khan's family shared the party pictures on social media. Be it Bhai's sister Arpita Sharma and Pulkit Samrat's ex-wife Shweta Rohira, who happens to be Bhaijan's Rakhi sister. Lulia Vantour looked ravishing in black dress and was the center of attraction, of course. We are sure Lulia has enjoyed every bit of love showered on her. Well, we got a surprise too, with Daisy Shah being a part of Lulia's birthday bash. Hai na? Fawad Khan to play Deepika Padukone's husband in Sanjay Leela Bhansali's most ambitious project, Padmavati. Finally, after a lot of speculations, here comes a breather. Sanjay Leela Bhansali has finalized the Pakistani actor to star opposite ravishing Deepika Padukone as her husband in this epic drama, which means Deepi has found her on-screen Raja. Deepi happens to be a don of the role Rani of Chittor, and Fawad Khan would now be getting into the role of Rawal Ratan Singh. Fawad was fortunately in Mumbai and must say he's indeed lucky to star in a Sanjay Leela Bhansali movie. Moreover, to share a screen space with Bollywood's most happening diva. One can imagine how beautiful they both would look together, hai na? Haven't we seen them work together as a showstopper of Manish Malhotra? Moreover, Fawad is definitely getting plump projects in B-Town and quite rightly deserves it too. Well, can't wait to see them together on the big screen, isn't it? It's Couture Week in Delhi, the most happening event in the world of fashion. And as always, fashion designers prefer having B-Towners as showstoppers. And here's our queen Kangana Ranaut, who walked the ramp for Manav Gangwani. Proud sister Rangoli shared the pictures. Kangi looked every inch a Mughal empress as she walked for Manav in his creation from his latest collection titled Begum-e-Jannat at the FDCI India Couture Week 2016 here on Sunday. We all know Kangi has a certain exudes charm and is quite a chameleon who fits aptly anywhere. Looking ravishing in a maroon choli with mirror work paired with a heavily embroidered lehenga and mesh dupatta. Doesn't she look regal? The beautiful curls complete her regal look with the minimum makeup. Kangi can definitely skip your heartbeat and make sure she leaves no long-lasting impression. Don't you guys agree? Well, enjoy the pictures and she is here to make your weekend, isn't it? Whoa, the telefame actor from popular serial Ye Hai Mohabbatein, Karan Patil, aka Raman Bhalla, is off to honeymoon along with his wife Ankita Bhargava. And how did we know that? Well, he's on a PDA mood on social media, and that's where we could grab a few glimpses. One can see Karan with his wife Ankita Bhargava, who actually got married last year but due to work could not make it for their honeymoon. And now here they go. Did you read the caption? Do check it. On the other hand, Karan's on-screen wife Divyanka Tripathi, aka Ishita, didn't go on her honeymoon due to workload, and to add more sadness, she lost her grandfather. But like a thorough professional, she got back on the sets of the most watched serial Ye Hai Mohabbatein, and that too within 2 days. Until then, fans of Raman Bhalla should enjoy the Pixies, which is loaded with PDA, hai na? Salman Khan's girlfriend Lulia Vantur celebrates her birthday with his family and friends, and Bhaijan threw a special bash for his Romanian girlfriend to celebrate her 36th birthday. Whoa, the bash was exclusively between close family members and friends of the Khan Khandan. And here are some party pictures which were posted through their respective Instagram accounts. Salman Khan's sister Arpita Sharma posted a few pictures of hers and her husband Ayush Sharma with other friends like Amrita Arora, Pulkit Samrat's ex-wife and Bhaijan's Rakhi sister Shweta Rohira, and designer Seema Khan. Designer Ashley Rebello also posted a pic of himself with Lulia Ventur, who looks ravishing in black dress. Don't they look like one happy bunch? One must say the birthday girl is enjoying every bit of the attention and love showered on her. But the only picture we missed was Bhaijan along with his lady love. But looks like they won't make it to social sites any sooner. Hey telefans, here is an exciting bit for you. Yes, Radhika would be paired opposite Ranveer Singh. Did that skip your heartbeat? The tele-serial Meri Aashiki fame actress who's super gorgeous, Radhika Madan, who has not only caught your attention through her amazing acting skills, but also gained immense fame through her mesmerizing moves in Jhalak Dikhla Ja. Don't you remember her? Our little birdie says that she would now be paired opposite Dippy's baby Ranveer Singh. Now isn't that cool? Though it will not be a Bollywood movie, but Radhika will be seen in an advertisement with the Ram Leela actor. But who cares as far as she gets to share the screen space with the happening hunk of B-Town, hai na? Quite lately, Radhika is not seen in any of the popular shows, but the sexy and slutty face will now be seen with funky Ranveer Singh. And we can't wait to see both of them together. What say people?
Oh my god, Ranveer Singh copying Salman Khan's Sultan? Is he doing a film on wrestler's life? Oh, wait. Before you jump to any conclusion, let us clear your confusion. Recently, Ranveer watched Sultan in a theatre of Paris. Then the most entertaining stars suddenly got up in the houseful theatre and started dancing to one of Sultan's songs. Well, this sweet gesture of him might give a tribute to Salman Khan. Mr. Entertainer again does a one thing but in a different way. He performed a stunt to impress Sallu and Sultan's director Ali Abbas Zafar. He enacted Sultan and Arfa's popular pose from the poster of the movie. The actor just loved Sultan. He also congratulated the director for the outstanding work. He posted the pic on Twitter and tweeted, "The newest heavyweight director on the scene, Ali Abbas Zafar, so proud of you, bhai. Sultan shattering all records." Well, not only Ranveer Singh but also the entire India as well as B-Town celebs have loved Sultan. And after this picture, let's see how Sallu will react on Ranveer's befikri harkatein.
Salman Khan's girlfriend Lulia Vantur celebrates her birthday with his family and friends, and Bhaijan threw a special bash for his Romanian girlfriend to celebrate her 36th birthday. Whoa, the bash was exclusively between close family members and friends of the Khan Khandan. And here are some party pictures which were posted through their respective Instagram accounts. Salman Khan's sister Arpita Sharma posted a few pictures of hers and her husband Ayush Sharma with other friends like Amrita Arora, Pulkit Samrat's ex-wife and Bhaijan's Rakhi sister Shweta Rohira, and designer Seema Khan. Designer Ashley Rebello also posted a pic of himself with Lulia Ventur, who looks ravishing in black dress. Don't they look like one happy bunch? One must say the birthday girl is enjoying every bit of the attention and love showered on her. But the only picture we missed was Bhaijan along with his lady love. But looks like they won't make it to social sites any sooner. This is pretty shocking. Balika Vadhu fame actress Pratyusha Banerjee's boyfriend Rahul Raj Singh is missing. In shocking turn of events, Rahul has a cheating case slapped on his face. Yes, one knows that he has been charged with abetting the suicide for his girlfriend Pratyusha Banerjee, and now a cheating case has been filed by Heer Patel, who has been duped for lakhs of rupees and also has filed an FIR against Rahul. According to Heer's mother, it seems that Rahul narrated a film script and asked to arrange for 25 lakh rupees and also added that he promised to cast her as a lead actress. And now Rahul is untraceable and his phone too was found switched off. Surprisingly, Rahul seems to be in the same scenario when Pratyusha committed suicide. Well, it's high time for Rahul Raj Singh to stop this game by taking law for granted and face the music. Don't you think so? birthday wishes pouring in for Lulia from all the quarters. And why not? She happens to be the lady love of the most happening hunk of the beat town, isn't it? And here's a tiny tot Susie Khan who wished Salman's lady love with a beautiful picture. Didn't that melt your heart? Both look quite comfortable, and this picture was clicked when Lulia would venture on the sets of Sultan. We recently saw Susie in the blockbuster Sultan, who plays Salman's and Anushka's daughter. Susie is quite a topic ever since her video went viral. Don't you remember the video where she's seen crying while watching Salman's Bajrangi Bhaijaan? Yes, Salman Khan happens to meet her since he got emotional too and expressed his desire to meet Susie. Later started a huge fan following too. Why not? Well, all we know is that this adorable little munchkin has warmed her heart in Sultan. है ना?
Like this video, share your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to Bollywood Spy for more such updates.